Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise of the week. I'm Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I am the founder of Kovo, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. And this month, the theme for our general vocal workouts is agility. Vocal agility has many faces. Of course, it involves the ability to sing fast notes with accuracy, but an agile singer can also shift quickly and smoothly between vocal registers. They can navigate quick changes of direction in melodic lines. Think about large intervals or tricky intervals. And they can move their articulators, the lips, the teeth, the tip of the tongue, with speed and precision. Agility work is essential for keeping the vocal cords flexible, and it can be a powerful tool for keeping weight out of the voice, making sure that the voice doesn't get too heavy or sluggish. Now, when most of us think of vocal agility exercises, what comes to mind? Chances are you thought about a scale, and indeed most common agility exercises are built on scale patterns. The major scale, and therefore the exercises that I just played, are made up entirely of whole and half steps. But in repertoire, many fast, agile, and ornamented passages contain larger intervals like thirds, fourths, even sixths and octaves, not just half steps and whole steps. Which brings us to our vocal exercise of the week, Shakespeare in thirds. It comes from a wonderful old vocal method book by the tenor and teacher, William Shakespeare. No, not the bard, not the playwright, of course, but a celebrated English voice teacher from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He taught at the Royal Academy of Music in England and taught many famous singers of the era. His book, The Art of Singing, is full of classic exercises like this one. Now, notice that it is all based on thirds, not steps. And the thirds are both major and minor depending on where we are in the scale. For example, the first half of that first measure, that's a major third, but the second half, which is upside down by the way, that is a minor third. So let's give this a try slowly. Don't get too caught up on exactly where the la's and the les are supposed to be. I did transcribe this faithfully from the book, but if you toss in a few too many la's, I am sure that Shakespeare won't mind. So, very slow like this. La, 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 again. La, 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 tiny bit faster. La, feel just a tiny bit yodely as we get faster, that's actually perfectly appropriate, and it can indicate that your vocal cords are not just stretching for the higher pitches, but that they are also thinning out. So let's now try a series of these pairs of thirds moving up the scale with a lovely harmonization by Mr. Shakespeare. There will be 6 pairs. For example, the first one, the next one. All right, so let's give this a try. Isn't it nice with that harmonization? So I invite you to play with this exercise in the coming week and see if you can add some agile thirds to your vocal agility repertoire of skills. If you've enjoyed this exercise, we've got more for you. During July, all of the vocal exercises that we sing during our general vocal workouts will focus on agility skills. We host these live general vocal workouts twice a week on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific Time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to show up in your email inbox, you can find out how in the description below. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.